So today in this video we are going to unbox best RC drone with a camera. So let's unbox it and have a look how the drone is. Like aim for this video will be 60 likes. Let's see if we can complete that. It comes with video stabilization system. It also has an HD camera. It is a 720p camera. Let's open the box. Inside the box we find an instruction manual. You can read this to learn how to fly the drone. Here we find the drone itself. It has a small battery compartment on the bottom. So let's put the battery inside. It is a 500 mAh battery and gives a backup of 10 to 20 minutes. Here is the controller of the drone. It is a 2.4G controller and gives the range up to 100 meters. Here also we find a cable to charge the drone. Here is a card reader. We also find a screwdriver. The box also contains 4 propeller guards. Let's power it on and fly outside. The drone also performs 360-degree flips and it also has altitude hold technology. Best Buy link is given in the description of this video.